Hello friends and family from Disney's Cast Connections and Property Control. We're back here again today to see what type of new deals they have, new Disney resort used furniture, and just what they have in general. I'll also link in the description box below our last trip here to Cast Connections. We'll see what type of new items they had versus last time as well. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. Cast Connections is actually really busy today. Like, the parking lot is completely loaded up. But there's that sign right there. I am so excited for today. Cast Connection and Property Control. I'm noticing some new things off the bat. Look at this. Like, they even have a whole case of bathroom tiles from a resort for $15. Like, that's pretty crazy. Over here again, some more of those cabinets here, filing cabinets. These are $10. This whole computer desk right here, look at this, guys, no joke, 25 cents for this computer desk. Like, that is insane. Over here we have some refrigerators for $100. These like have that old faux wood look. $100 for a Disney resort used refrigerator. Oh, look at this, we got a Life Fitness machine right here. How much is this? $50. Only $50 right here for this machine. Like, that is an amazing deal. This big cabinet right here, I don't know how you'd get this one home, but has a lot of drawers right here. Let's open it up and see. Okay, yeah, lots of drawers. This is only $3. Then over here they have like an old school filing cabinet right here. Look at this, it says Dappers right there. That is only $5. You even find some other interesting items like this right here. This is like what you see in like a doctor's office. This scale right here is only $7. And this lamp right here is actually from Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. They have a bunch of various computer monitors. These are really big in size. These are HP. These are $15 a piece, but they actually have quite a bit of these actually. And then over here, I love these. These are the pineapple chairs. These are still $35. These are from the Polynesian. Like, they're amazing. Over here for 50 cents. Look at this. You got some brand new ice buckets. That's really interesting. Cool little take home for 50 cents only. For $7 from Disney's Fairy Tale Honeymoons, they have these tote bags here. These are only $7. Then over here, look at these. We have some cupcake wrappers for $2. That's actually really interesting. Some Christmas ornaments here. What does this say? These are $3 and it says A Christmas Pageant 1880. Okay, I love these mirrors right here with the Mickey with the like the knot. These are $60. Like, this is a really good deal. This would be great to like take home and maybe put above your bed or one of your dressers. Then they still have some of the sconces. They take the whole wall unit here. You get 2 sconces. These are from the Grand Floridian as well. They still have a few of these. And also a Grand Floridian headboard. And this is like really padded. I wonder how much this is. Okay, so this whole queen headboard right here is only $65. What are these? We got some remote controls. Oh, look at that. Okay. It says Bright Star remotes. These are $1 a piece, like a universal remote used in Disney resorts. They have a good selection of these wooden chairs too. Perhaps like these were used on the balcony of a Disney resort. These are $20 a piece. Like, that's a really good deal. They have some chairs over here that were new since the last time we've been here. These are also $20 a piece. It looks like these were probably used maybe in Animal Kingdom Lodge, I betcha, or the Polynesian. Look at this, it has the date right there. 12/21/2017. But how amazing is the Mickey here? This guy was here last time, but this is incredible. I also really like this sign right here. Is everyone neat and pretty, then on with the show. Look at that, Mickey Mouse Club 1955. Like, how old school is that Mickey right there? I still love this backpack here, the Millennium Falcon. These are $44.99, originally $75. They have a fair amount of those. But also, look at these. They still have the Baby Yoda socks. These are $7.99. But like I said, like this store is completely different than the character warehouse and whatnot. Like it's very expansive in here. You got lots of space here. They have the Disney Pixar collection. These are Monsters Inc., I believe? Yep, Monsters University. These necklaces are $8.99. Oh, I haven't seen this one before. Disney Parks jewelry. This is a bracelet of The Incredibles. You get all the characters there for $14.99. Originally $24.99. And down here, this one here is a lot of fun. You got Woody. This is a necklace. You got Buzz and Jessie. Like, that's just incredible to see. They have some Christmas glow necklaces. These are a limited 10, it says, but these are $2.99 a piece. I really like this shirt right here for $20.99. It has a couple buttons there. Epcot International. This is the Festival of the Arts 2022. Like, that is really neat. Then down here, we have a Disney Dad t-shirt. That's really neat. I like that one. These are new over here. I don't think these were here last time we were here. These are Puma hats. BVD09, and these are $11.99, originally $22. Over here in this section is the men's apparel. Like, I love a lot of these button-down shirts, like this Pizza Planet shirt, originally $60, now only $24.99. Like I said a while back, I have this shirt here. It just says Walt Disney World on it. This one here is $30.99. This one is really nice though. It's like a very, very soft material. And look at this over here. This is amazing. I just noticed this. Wickedly Delicious. I did it. 2021. A 2 cores challenge. Look at Ursula there. Like, she looks incredible. And this shirt here is $16.99. Originally $40. Then they have some of the Wickedly Delicious magic bands as well. Here's what they look like. We got Oogie Boogie on one side. Oh, we have the Queen on the other side. And these are limited edition to $1,500. Then we have another one that says I did it right here, 2021 for $16.99, 13.1 miles. Oh, look at these little kids' hats right here. Awesome. You got Bruce the Shark for $14.99. This one's originally $25. Then over here, I think this plushie is from the movie Soul, I want to say. Correct me if I'm wrong. He's $4.99, originally $15. That guy there is really soft though. This is the children's apparel. This one here is really cute. We got Minnie Mouse. It says America. This one here is $14.99, originally $25. Also here they have a really nice selection of different kind of cups and mugs. Like these ones right here from the NBA experience. But look at the characters inside there. You got a bunch of Mickeys. You got Pluto, Donald, Goofy. These are only $3.99, guys. Originally $20. Look at this one with Tinkerbell. We got Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. That's adorable for $9.99. They have the alphabet mugs here for $5.99. Like, they have a much bigger collection of these than over at the Disney Character Warehouse, where you'll only get a few different initials, but they have quite a few here. And they also have the trinket boxes for $8.99. Again, but they have like a bunch of different initials here, so they more than likely have what you're looking for. They have a Marvel Eternals pin set of 6, limited edition to 5,000. This was originally $60. Now it's only $30.99. But you get all of these character pins right here, and kind of like a little story right there about them as well. Like, this is really interesting. And then for $7.99, they also have the Marvel Eternals pin. This is like an enamel pin. This one's really nice. Also some 2021 starter pin sets here with lanyard, so you're getting 4 pins and the 2021 lanyard right here. Originally $34.99, now only $16.99. But they have so many other pins. This is like the Heroes and Villains collection right here. Again, there's just so many, from Mike Wazowski to Beauty and the Beast to Gaston. Like, you really have to take your time and go through a lot of these. Incredibles, Stormtroopers. I love these women leggings right here for $16.99. Like, these are incredible. On the one leg here it says Coast to Victory, and on the bottom it says Run Disney. Then on the other leg right there you got Moana. These are originally $39.99. I don't remember seeing this whole setup right here that last time we were here. This is all the Disney Princess like half marathon, but they have some car magnets. These are $4.99. Again, these are from the 2022 half marathon. This one has Moana on it. Also, they have half marathon princess pins, 13.1 miles again. And Courageous, these are $7.99, originally $17.99. But check this one out. This one's amazing. This one might be my favorite. The Princess Runs, it says. It opens up, then you got the half marathon weekend. These are $14.99, originally $36.99. Oh, we found some Spirit jerseys here. We got the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spirit jersey on the back, to infinity and beyond. These are $44.99, and it looks like they have the Disneyland right there with kind of like that copper writing on the back. Established 1955, it says. These are $44.99 as well. Oh, but this one's pretty nice. I like this. This one's not a Spirit jersey. It's more like a sweatshirt for women, but this one's amazing. It's all stitched and embroidered there. And these are $30.99, originally $54.99. Oh, look at this. I think he's incredible. These ones are so soft too. These are $12.99, original $24.99. We have a France Pavilion Bonjour hat for $14.99, originally $27.99. They also have this t-shirt right here. It says Choose Magic Walt Disney World. These are $25.99, originally $36.99. Look at that one right there. That one's cute. This t-shirt is $14.99, originally $24.99. Some Disney fuzzy hair scrunchies here with some really soft material with a Mickey for $3.99. But I also really like this t-shirt right here. It's the sequins. These are $24.99, originally $39.99. Wow, this one here is a really good deal. NBA Experience at Walt Disney World. Tank top for $6.99, originally $24.99. But also over here, like they have a complete section of like NBA Experience items. These lanyards over here are really nice. These are only $1.99. Like that is incredible. That is such a good deal with all the different Mickeys. They have some little basketballs right here, Spalding mini-size basketballs. Doesn't have a clearance price on these, but these were originally $34.99. They also have a selection of Funko Pops here. Gary Payton, Shaquille O'Neal, Sean Kemp. They even have a couple Larry Birds left here. These are $3.99. Like that is a really good deal. You have the NBA hologram right there. And they still have some of the kids' Spirit jerseys here for $8.99, originally $44.99. Like, aren't they just amazing for $8.99? Like, that's some incredible deal. And the NBA notebooks are still $8.99. There's a really nice selection of the 2021 Disney merchandise, like this t-shirt, originally $36.99, now only $12.99. And I always really love this hoodie right here. I just love all the different designs there. Walt Disney World down the side. Down here you have the castle, Mickey in 2021, and a little girl's ringer tee. We got Minnie Mouse, half Mickey, half Minnie. It could be either or, I guess. These are only $10.99. Then the same concept right here. This one's $12.99. Ooh, also over here by the Princess Run Disney merchandise. Look at this. I don't think they had these last time here. I love these ears though. This is last year's holiday collection. And you even got the plaid bow. Like, these are really nice. But again, like, there's so many different ears here. These are all $7.99. Limited 2 per guest, but that is some deal. Except for the green ones, they're $15.99. I love this Disney Cruise Line shirt right here. It says I'll be cruising 2021. Like, that is just so funny with the palm trees. I love this. And you got the Mickey down there for $15.99, originally $29.99. And they also have this one right here, Disney Cruise Line 2021, sail away every day. This is like a long sleeve shirt. This one here is $14.99, originally $50. Also some Alex and Ani Disney Parks collection. These were from last year's holiday season. You got Mickey and Minnie and a snow globe there. And over there we have a little bit of Mickey on the side. These are originally $79.99, now only $35.99. Let's see what else we have here. Look at this, Toys Play. We have Woody there. These are originally $79.99. I'm assuming these are the same price. Okay, here's another new item right here. These were from Epcot International Festival of the Holidays 2021. These are the Magic Bands. These were $39.99, now only $20.99. Here's what they look like right here. You got Olaf. Like, these are adorable. Festival of the Holidays, and on the other side, 2021 with a bunch of snowflakes. Right here is some of our first bit of 2022 Festival of the Arts for this past season. They have the Figment ornament for $11.99. This one here was originally $22.99, but I also love the back of this. Like, this is so adorable. We have some more Festival of the Arts right here with this magnet. It says Bedazzled Festival of the Arts. It's like a gold color, originally $9.99, now only $5.99. I had such a great time checking out all of the new discounted merchandise here at Cast Connections, but I really love, probably my favorite part, is checking out the different resort furniture that they have to offer. So like anytime they're rehabbing, like the Grand Floridian at the moment, like they're getting all the resort furniture from there at heavily discounted prices. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.